hang out with him today, and today should be a fun video. What's going on, guys? I'm with Anthony. Say hello, Anthony.
What's up, guys?
He's back from college. Finally. I miss my friend. I left my car at his house. We're gonna get breakfast right now. We hit up Wawa. Got the quesadilla. What'd you get? A burrito?
Yeah, grilled burrito.
Food vlog time. You know what it is. All right, food run was a success. We're going to Walmart now. Anthony, what are we doing today?
This man here. We're going to wrap our hoods with Christmas wrapping paper. Should be a good time.
Good time, guys.
Good time.
All right, guys, we got the wrapping paper. I'm following Anthony over here to car wash. We're gonna get the cars cleaned up. They're a bit dirty. Well, mine's very dirty. I drove it in the snow when we had this past snowstorm in Jersey. So, and there's salt on the road, so it's really dirty. So we're gonna get the cars cleaned, and then we're gonna come back to his house and wrap our hoods. So see you then. Cars are washed, cleaned. Can't really see anything up there. But yep, now we're going back to his house and we're gonna wrap our hoods. All right, so cars are washed. Anthony's car looking nice. My car's looking nice. So back when I did the last video, on the way home, you can see there's a crack right there and it's spidered all along, and right now it's right there. So I'm gonna have to change the windshield at some point, hopefully soon. But that's no fun. And then if you haven't been following my Instagram, I tinted the headlights. So those look nice, nothing crazy, just to match the black of the car. And then my favorite part, new wheels, baby. So they're Shift Spring Racing wheels on top of Continental Extreme Contact tires. In my opinion, they blow, what do you have, the Goodyear Eagle Sports?
Yeah.
They blow them out of the water. Much better tire.
Water?
Yes, water. I'm from New Jersey, all right? They were a little bit more expensive. I think the Goodyear Eagle Sports are like $649, and the Continentals were like $940. But you know, for the extra $300, I think it's worth it.
Still get gas though.
Okay. Yeah. We're racing Honda Civics. Okay, I don't think it's crazy. All right, the wrap's coming across good. You got the hood of the car. Now we just gotta get the sides, tuck in the back over here a little bit. Just went to Walgreens, got some tape so we could tape down some of the creases. So we're gonna finish up Anthony's car and move to my car. All right, guys, we just finished wrapping our hoods. The cars look amazing. Anthony's cold.
Oh, bro, I'm freezing.
Well, it took us how long to do both of them? Like 4 hours?
4 hours? 4 hours?
Anthony's car took the longest because
we didn't know what we were doing.
Yeah. And my car probably took an hour and a half, I would say. But they look amazing.
Real happy with them.
Alright, guys, I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.